What's up, my OGs? Emily. I'm back with another video. Today's video is just going to be on this unit that we made together from Sunber Hair. I'm going to be installing this closure wig and curling it with y'all. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So we're going to be installing the Sunber Hair 28-inch unit that we made together. And it's just a closure unit. And yeah, so we're just going to be installing her today. I've really been loving closures lately. Like, I don't really know why, I just have. But anyways, in case you didn't see the making of this unit, this is a 28-inch Peruvian body wave unit in the inches 28, 28, and 26 in a 20-inch closure. I did bleach these knots and pluck this. Obviously I did all of that in the other video, so this is just going to be an install video. But this is really long and really pretty. I'm just going to start off by cutting these little things off of my closure. Because you don't need those for anything. Only thing those are good for is holding you back in life. And I mean cut it all the way off, sis. Just don't cut your wig and none of your thread. But cut that all the way off. I'm just going to take my Nairobi and do some little baby hair. Go in with some cheese silk infusion before we start to curl and just like lay everything. desperately need to buy more of. y'all. So this is the finished result. Super long and super pretty. I'm super here for it. A couple of people have been like, Sunber Hair was like one of their favorite hair companies, and I definitely could see why. The hair is really soft and like airy and flowy, and it curled really well. So yeah, I really love this. The lace is perfect. Like everything about the hair is just like really it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little closure, install, and curl. So if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you want to check out this hair company, all of their links will be in the description box. So make sure you check that out. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.